Unleash the hidden superhero within your data through our Excel mastery in analysis, design, and multilingual solutions. Just as a freestyle footballer transforms simple moves into art, we transform your raw data into business magic. Picture your data as a playing field where our Excel expertise performs with the precision of elite footwork. We don't just process numbers, we orchestrate them like a perfectly executed street soccer routine, creating insights that captivate and deliver results. Our multilingual prowess in English, French, Arabic, and Luganda is our signature move, like a perfectly timed elastico that weaves through language barriers. Each pivot table we craft is like a nutmeg, swift, precise, and effective, slicing through complexity to reveal clear paths to growth. Watch as we elevate your financial models and automated reports with the flair of a sombrero flick, sending your business soaring above the competition. Our VLOOKUP and index match functions? They're your knockout knuckleball free kicks, unpredictable to opponents, but precisely targeted for your success. Need to connect with global stakeholders? Our multilingual reporting flows, like a footballer reading the field, ensuring your message resonates across cultures and markets. Every dashboard we design is like a calculated step-over, beautiful to behold, yet purposefully driving your business forward. From startups to enterprises, our Excel wizardry adapts, like street soccer skills on any surface. Whether it's finance, operations, marketing, or research, we bring the same innovative spirit that turns simple moves into crowd-pleasing spectacles. Partner with us, and our Excel expertise becomes your secret Rabona, that unexpected behind-the-leg move that leaves competitors wondering how you're making such brilliant business decisions. Every report, every dashboard, every insight is crafted to keep you steps ahead of the game. Ready to revolutionize your data game? Let's collaborate and unlock your data's hidden superhero with moves as bold as an around-the-world trick. Your Excel transformation journey starts here, where data meets artistry and business meets brilliance.